The New Balance 9060 continues to be a reliable choice for sneaker fans, even as the brand introduces newer silhouettes heading into 2026. While the model first gained major attention through a Joe Freshgoods collaboration, its clean inline colorways are what have kept it popular over the years. New Balance is proving that point once again with the upcoming 9060 Cortado, set to release during holiday 2025. Official looks show a well-balanced mix of brown leather overlays and dark beige tones across the upper, creating a look that easily fits into everyday rotations. The name is inspired by a Cortado, a Spanish espresso drink mixed with steamed milk, and the color palette clearly reflects that warm and smooth aesthetic. This pair stays true to the 9060's bold yet wearable design. The New Balance 9060 Cortado will retail for $150 in unisex sizing and will be available through New Balance and select retailers.